रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। वर्णानामर्थसंघानां रसानां छन्दसामपि मंगलानां च कर्तारो वन्दे वाणी विनायको। लोकाभिरामं रणरङ्गधीरं राजेव नेत्रं रघुवंशनाथं कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरं तं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। भवानी शंकरो वन्दे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणो याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्ध स्वान्तस्तमीश्वरम्। वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणम् यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्रः सर्वत्र वन्द्यते। सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्यारण्यविहारिणो वन्दे विशुद्धि विज्ञानो कवीश्वर कपीश्वरम्। आइए हनुमंत विराजिए कथा कहूँ मति अनुसार प्रेम सहित गई धरूं पधारे पवन कुमार सिया पति रामचंद्र जी की जय शरणम। जेहि सुमिरत सिद्ध होय गणनायक करिवर बदन करहु अनुग्रह सोय बुद्धि राशि सुभगुण सदम। मूक होई वाचा चढ़े गिरिवर गहन जासु कृपा सो दया प्रभु सकल कलिमन दहन नील सरोरह श्याम तरुण अरुण बारिजेन करऊ सुमम ऊर्ध्वाम कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरे। Let's meditate upon the holy feet of our Guruji Maharaj, our spiritual guide. बिन गुरु ज्ञान केवट बिन नैया के भवसागर पार करो। Who will take us across the भवसागर? No one else but the Guru. बंदो गुरु पद कंज कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरे महामोहतम पुंज जासु बचन रवि करने कर। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री श्री गुरु चरण सरोज जान निज मन मुकुर सुधार। वर्णो रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायक फलचार। बोधहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देव मुहि हरऊ कलेश विकार। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुलंघयते गिरिं। यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानंद माधवम्। नीलाम्भुज श्यामलकोमलांगम् सीता समारूपितु वामभागम्। पाणो महाशायक चारुचापम् नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम्। एकरिदनि गजवदन के कर बंदो कर जोर। कृपा करो शिवनंदना बोधि बरा जिहि मोर। सियापति रामचंद्र की जय शरण। जय 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 श्री सरस्वती माता। श्री सरस्वती माता। जय 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 श्री रमा राधिका माँ। जय 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 श्री सरस्वती माता। प्रथम बिनव मैं श्री गणेश को दूजे सरस्वती माँ। तीजे मैं बिनती देवा को जो यह सृष्टि चला। जय 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 श्री सरस्वती माता। छोटे में बीनवो पंच
सभी को ध्यान तुझे लगा। रामायण की अनुपम करनी सागर पार करा। रामायण की अनुपम करनी सागर पार करा। जय 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 श्री सरस्वती माता। जय 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 श्री रमा राधिका। जय 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 श्री सरस्वती माता।
मैं आप लोग की हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। This afternoon, this evening katha, we are going to deal with satsang and so on. But in the, what's Ram Katha? What is the Ram Katha? Ram Katha Mandakini ki saman hai. Ram Katha is like the Mandakini river. And Chitrakoot is like the heart. The Mandakini river is in Chitrakoot. Chitrakoot Manu Hriday hai. Mandakini river is the Ram Katha, the flow. Ram Katha is flow. Flow, it's flowing. Never stop flowing. Non-stop. Chitrakoot Hriday hai. Chitrakoot is the consciousness, the heart. Tulsidas, his desire that the loving and affectionate Sri Ramchandra and Sita Mata must dwell in his chit, his consciousness. Now, Tulsidas has reminded us, if the Lord dwells in our heart, in the course of this duration of Ram's Katha tonight, then we ourselves will be able to transform ourselves into rishis. That is saintly, a saintly person. And that's what we are. We are not a human being trying to get to the divine. We are divine being having human experiences. We are divine beings having what? Human experiences. We must remember that. We are all divine. We were born divine. Because what is inside of this physical body is nothing but God. We must forget about the small soul and the big soul. God has taken. The day we realize that this, what we call the Jivatma and the Paramatma is one and the same. The Jiva and the Shiva is one and the same. Then we become an enlightened soul. Now what has the Lord Sri Ramchandra achieved in Chitrakoot? And what has he done in Chitrakoot? In Chitrakoot, the Lord established Ramraj. Reign of all for the benefit of all. There's where, not when he came back in Ayodhya and he sat on the throne. He established Ramraj in the forests. And that is what took place in Chitrakoot, in the consciousness, in this very place. And this initiation took place on the holy banks of the Ganges by embracing the boatman Kevat. The consolidation of Ramraj was achieved in Chitrakoot. Kevat. The Lord Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan stood by his firm resolve that till each citizens of the land would not be properly clothed, he will only wear valkal, an apparel made out of the bark of trees. So this is Ramraj. A leader is living just like the praja, the citizens. We are not putting the citizens to live in a in a dump, and then we want to live in a palace? He also, the rule of Ram lasted for 14 long years in Chitrakoot. Thus the father figure of the entire universe covered himself with the bark of a tree only, so that no one would be without clothes. That's why he did that. He protested, in other words, that until I am able everyone to have clothes, I will wear the bark of the trees, clothing. So he continued to wear the valkal. He also vowed that till such time, everyone will be free from hunger. Today we have citizens in this country cannot have food. They don't know what the next meal is coming from. Some people are going to bed hungry stomach. And we sing in the Andhan Ke Maharani, in the verse that says that we pray to Mother Lakshmi, and we sing this beautiful bhajan. He Andhan Ke Maharani, the one who gives an means food, dhan, wealth. He Andhan Ke Maharani. And what it says in this bhajan, I will sing the line for you. What it says.
हे अंधन की महारानी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी, हे अंधन के महारानी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी, तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी, तुझे घर घर पूजे प्राणी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी.
The second verse says,
हम मांगते माँ सोना कहाँ, हम मांगते माँ चांदी कहाँ, हम तो भगत इतना मांगते, भोगा न कोई सोइया, सबकी रखना निगरानी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी, हे अंधन के महारानी हो जय लक्ष्मी रानी.
so we pray to the mother, Ham Mangate Ma. Oh mother, I'm not asking for jewels, no gold, no silver, no diamond. All I'm asking, Ham to bhagat itna mangate, bhuka na koi soye yahan, that no one should go to bed on a hungry stomach. And we've seen in all parts of the world where people are hungry and the leaders are not caring about these people at all. And my friends, all the leaders should read Ramraj, this when the Lord was the king of Ayodhya, when he governed as the king of Ayodhya. So this he says, until he would not touch food for 40 years, but what he satisfies his hunger by consuming roots and tubes and growing in the on the soil. The sanctified soil of Chitrakoot. The Lord pondered, in my nation, in my land, all needy and poor have no proper means of transport. They move about on bare feet. Till such situation prevails, I will travel only on foot. So Padayatra began with Sri Ramchandra in the forest, the Ramraj. Say, I will not ride any vehicle. I will not go on a chariot. I will not live in a palace. I will live just like the people in the Banvas. So my friend, this is Ramraj. So it will take to Padayatra. I will for 14 years resort to foot pilgrimage and will always travel barefoot. I will walk to every village and town. The Lord further taught that there are numerous people and innumerable family units which do not have shelter or roof over their heads. They have no dwelling, house of their own. The Lord then decided, I may be a prince of a kingdom. Maybe I am the heir, an emperor, but till the time I can provide housing to all my subjects, I will dwell in a humble hut with a thatched roof. Such Ramraj was conceived and established on this very land of Chitrakoot. In every country in the world, they build a house for Vota Pardon. The government, that's what they do. Not really to satisfy the needs of all and sundries, all must be treated equally. This is what Sri Ramchandra is saying. This is what leadership is. So he established Chitrakoot. In Chitrakoot he has established Ramraj. That's what he did in Chitrakoot. So we must establish that in our consciousness, that everyone must be treated equal. I am not going to live in a palace having all the beautiful food to eat and my next door neighbor is starving and hungry. And I said, close the door on them. The Lord didn't teach us this. So my friends, Sri Ramchandra lived for a long period of 13 years in Chitrakoot. Here the utterance of the mere word Ram spells a magical charm in Chitrakoot. And Tulsidas says, sing everybody. Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Naam lete bhav सिंधु सुखाई, नाम लेते भव सिंधु सुखाई, काहे विचार सु जन मन माही। जय राम श्री राम, जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम, जय जय राम। The learned one has no doubt in their minds that the ocean of troubles and difficulties dries up on uttering the name of Shri Ram. To just the name of Shri Ram, all our troubles dries up. So we sing one bhajan. The greatness of the name of Ram. O manware, manwa जीवन में है संग्राम, मनवारे मनवा जीवन में है संग्राम। भजले राम राम राम, भजले राम राम राम, भजले राम राम राम, भजले राम राम राम। मनवारे जीवन में है संग्राम। जीवन है एक संग्राम. Life of cells is a battle. The battle goes on in the consciousness, the mind. With the confused mind, where the battle is on, the evil forces overpowering the spiritual forces. What we have to do? To bhajle the Ram.
लोक यही पर लोक यही है, यही धरा और व्यू, यही धरा और व्यू. यही सवार सारे का, यही सवार सारे का. भजले राम राम राम, भजले राम राम राम, भजले राम राम राम, भजले राम राम राम. मनवारे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम. ओ मनवारे मनवा जीवन है